Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can be private in Reddit. Firstly, watch the video till the end. To remain private on Reddit application, firstly open your Reddit application. Click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on My Profile option and then on Edit. On the next page, at the end, slide the slider of content visibility and show active communities to the left side to turn it off. Turn the slider off and that is how you can be private on Reddit quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.